We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will enjoy your short stay here, and I hope that your stay will actually be a permanent stay, and that by the end of this video you will have gotten a gist of who I am, what this channel is about, and you will love it so much that you will click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, as you can see, my lips are red. And today is Valentine's Day. I know that a lot of single people don't like Valentine's Day at all. Sometimes even people who are in relationships as well, which is a little bit weird. But anyway, that's a story for another day. But I just thought I should come on here on this day and, you know, talk a little bit about my views of Valentine's Day. So, you know, a lot of people tend to say, well, Valentine's Day, it's just a day. You don't necessarily have to have one day to express love to your partner, you know, because obviously we know that Valentine's Day is generally, well, technically Valentine's Day is a day where lovers will show each other love and get each other gifts and, you know, celebrate their love. And that's basically what Valentine's Day is about. But over the years, you know, we've seen, you know, people now turning Valentine's Day into something even bigger, where single people sometimes will have their own Valentine's Day together with their friends. You have things like Galentine's Day, where, you know, girls will come together, you know, they'll go out with their girls and go and celebrate, you know, and just spread love, you know. And that's just how Valentine's Day has kind of evolved over the years. And so on this particular Valentine's Day, I want to talk to those people that don't have Valentines, or those people that just don't really like Valentine's Day because they feel like has a target market. You know, it's not a day for them because they don't have lovers, they don't have partners, they're not dating anyone, they're not in relationships of any kind, you know. Valentine's Day can still be a day where you can still celebrate love, self-love. You can do so much for yourself, spread love, show love to your family, your friends, show love to another person, you know, do something kind for someone else. Valentine's Day is a day where we celebrate love. Love is not just shown or expressed between lovers, couples, you know, it's not just for them. Yes, the day is generally, you know, for people in relationships, but you can still spread that same love to other people that you're not romantically involved with. Spend time with your first love, and that is Jesus. Spend time with him. Thank him for the love that he's shown you, the love that he continues to show you. Show yourself the same love that you know that you have within you. You know, just do something lovely for yourself. Do something nice for yourself. Take yourself out if you can. You know, do some self-care. Just an act of kindness for another person. Send your friend a message and remind them that they are loved. Send your sister, your cousin, whoever it is that is special to you, send them love. Spread love. Because at the end of the day, you know, the Bible, that is the biggest commandment, you know, that we need to love one another. We need to love one another, and that is what the month of February generally is about. Yes, we have other days where we can spread love and all that, but this day, we all know that the 14th of February is the day that everybody associates with all things love. So on that note, I just wanted to make this video to remind you who is watching this that Valentine's Day does not have to be a lonely day for you. Valentine's Day does not have to be a sad day for you. You are loved. You are so greatly loved. You are important. I love you. if you are watching this, I am sending all my love to you on this beautiful Valentine's Day. And I'm just saying, mwah, enjoy your Valentine's Day. Love on yourself, love on your siblings, love on your cousins, love on your friends. Just spread love. Let us preach love. Let us enjoy this day. Okay? Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And yeah, I hope that you really well grasp the true essence of what this day can really be. Let it not be a sad day, okay? Don't be sad. Spread love. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And oh yeah, give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, comment down below. Let me know how you will be spending your Valentine's Day. And also subscribe if you haven't already to join this amazing family. And don't forget to click the bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.